got a recycling truck over here. That's us. And can I see your monster truck? Zizzo's got a monster truck. Ready, steady, and go. Race number 2. Let's see. It's a tie. We have a tie this time. Ready, set, go.
Oh, yeah.
The monster truck won again. All right, looks like you and I are the winner. Go. Let's see who won this time. All right, looks like the recycling garbage truck, which is ours, we won again. All right, you and I are this recycling truck, and Zizzo is the monster truck, and he's gonna let them go both at the same time, right? 1 second. All right, and let him go. Wow, and it's a tie. Not yet, not yet. Let's see, and go for it. Wow, look at that. Look how far this truck got. And look at that. Time we're gonna let them go one at a time, right? And here we go. Ready and go. It's even. Like it's a tie.
Subscribe to channel, hit like button.